Hey everybody, my name is Alex Chacon. I'm currently in Sedona, Arizona, and behind me is world famous Thunder Mountain. I'm going to show you the coolest thing that you need to do if you're ever here, and that is rock climbing. So, let's go. The quiet and small town of Sedona has a population of 11,000 people, but receives more than 3 million visitors annually. The main attraction here is the red sandstone formations that glow during sunrise or sunset, along with activities like hiking, spiritual pursuits, and mountain biking. Wow, this is a much more strenuous hike than I thought, but just the view so far definitely make it worth it. And yeah, trying to head up to that thing is going to be the challenge. And again, there's no trail, as you can see. It's just, you got to find your way up there, and that's part of the adventure here in Sedona. It's a hiker's outdoorsman's paradise. Most people explore the 1.4 mile hike to the top of Thunder Mountain. But for the best view of it, you'll have to do some slightly dangerous rock climbing. There's a multitude of sandstone pillars that surround Thunder Mountain that will require free climbing skills and at least 2 to 3 hours of your time to summit. Climbing up here, you get a great view of Sedona. If you recognize the name, that's because Walt Disney World actually has a ride called Thunder Mountain. And yes, Walt Disney used to live down there. And that's why this place got so many people, because one famous guy lived here and everybody seemed to flock to him. For best climbing technique, always maintain 3 points of contact at all times. Plan and read the route, climb using your feet, keep your body close to the wall, keep your balance. Good climbers climb with their eyes, and when safe, be sure to take rest. Yeah, I made it to the very top. What a view, what an experience. It's a bit challenging, but definitely it has been worth it. Rock climbing is not for everybody. It's inherently dangerous, requires physical conditioning, intelligent planning, and will certainly be a challenge. But the rewards can be absolutely breathtaking. So that was rock climbing here in Sedona, Arizona. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.